Driving up to New York over the holidays, of course, it was really nice to see snow on the ground, but the skiing conditions overall left something to be desired. So when I saw the Northcountry was going to get heavily dumped on with snow this past weekend, I decided there was nothing left for me to do but to get up there and try to get some good skiing in. I had Monday off as well, but I had to use that as a travel day to get back here for work on Tuesday, so that left me exactly 48 hours to pack in as much skiing as my wheezy, out-of-shape body could possibly handle. And that's just about what I did.
Time to run it up. I wake up. Yeah.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now.
Check.
No drip, this
Wet.
Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no
Rest.
Might crash, might
Wreck.
but first I
Stretch.
Tell 'em run it up. I wake up,
Flex.
thumb down now.
Check.
No drip, this
Wet.
Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no
Rest.
Might crash, might
Wreck.
but first I
Stretch.
Tell 'em run it up. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady.
I'm headed up to the Garnet Hill Lodge right now. I'm going to try to get a little bit of skiing in while it's still daylight. Garnet Hill's in North River, New York. I've been skiing here since I was very young. We raced here all through high school. No, we never had a collegiate race up here. This winter is really my first few times back on snow in about 2 years. I guess I took a little bit of a hiatus. There's a little bit of fresh snow on the ground. Like I was saying, I took about a 2-year hiatus from the sport. I skied, all through high school and college. It's a very consuming pastime. I basically would only have about a month or 2 off, and the rest of the time I'd just be training. So, 8 years of that. It's probably a good thing to have some time off, but I would say 2 years is a little long. film himself Nordic skiing. It is getting dark, so I'm gonna start heading back. going on, guys? It's 8:15. I'm at the Coles Woods Ski Trails in Glens Falls, New York. It's about 2 blocks away from my parents' place. And I've been coming here for a long time. I learned how to ski here when I was like 4 years old, and we've been coming here even before we moved up here. So I guess I got a lot of history out here on these trails. Or yeah, we raced on we raced on these trails through high school, and yeah, these are actually the first lit ski trails in the entire country. So
like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal.
hey, what's up?
I was wondering who the hell's like
Yeah,
coming
man.
up next to me. I'm like, oh,
I was trying to catch up to you. I figured it's probably you. How's it going?
Oh no, I was getting real worried. I was like, I don't
No,
want to
don't worry
run
about
over
it.
anybody.
Nah, you're good. You're good.
Oh, not much. How you know it was me?
I mean, my father said you're out here all the fucking time, so
Yeah, a little bit. Now that we got snow again.
yeah.
How
No,
was
it's
it?
awesome. It's good. I'm fucking wiped though.
Yeah.
2 years off is a little too much for this sport, I tell you. Man, Garnet Hill's looking pretty good though. I was up there earlier today, so.
Oh, did you ski twice today? Jeez.
Yeah, well.
Nice.
I'm only up here for 2 days, so trying to get a little bit in.
Might as well throw it all in.
Yeah.
All right, I've been out
Yeah,
here a
man.
long time. I'm gonna keep going. Good to see you.
Yeah, go
dude.
for it.
You
You go
want me to-
ahead.
yeah, what do you want me to do?
No. You go ahead. I just hauled ass trying to catch up.
When somebody's coming up, I saw somebody at the bottom of the wall.
Yeah, I
And
was like,
oh,
ah,
nice.
shit.
Nice, someone's out skiing. And then I looked to my left here. I'm like, oh fuck, what's this guy doing? I don't want to run him over.
I figure it's my last chance to get you.
12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. Like, ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me. You can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Shout out to my friend Dan for driving me up most of the way. Susie definitely needed that break.
Yeah, so I'm giving it a shot. It's not wonderful. It's like a touch and go thing, trying to not dig down to the bottom. I don't know. It's kind of a pain in the ass to groom right now.
Oh yeah.
But it's the holiday tomorrow, so I'm trying to make it decent.
Presentable.
Yeah. Oh no, it's a pain in the ass. It's frustrating because I hate bringing up leaves, but either do nothing or you bring up leaves.